In the early hours this morning, a FreeCAD macro quietly marked a major milestone for this channel, 100k subscribers. Rather than just celebrating the number, I wanted to capture the exact moment and show how FreeCAD macros can be used well outside their usual workflows. YouTube's API is known to lag behind the real subscriber count, so I coded an endpoint instead to take screenshots every second and use OCR to read the numbers. Whilst doing this, I designed a FreeCAD macro to poll this process, and when that magic number appeared, it sprang into action. The exact date and time was written into a var set, linked to shape strings. The macro then exported the model, ran a subprocess to send it to the slicer, and finally sent it straight to the 3D printer. For the subprocess, I had to use AutoKey. The macro ran the AutoKey script and started controlling the slicer by opening windows and using button locations to perform a mouse click. This is why you see the pointer moving on screen. Unfortunately, my printer doesn't support a serial connection, so I opted for this route. During this time, I didn't have to touch a thing. Detection, model update, export, slicing and printing were all fully automated. The trouble is, I was so focused on getting this work done that I totally forgot about the model itself. With only about 10 subscribers to go, I had to come up with something quickly. So it may not look like much, but it permanently marks that point in time. Also, I couldn't really celebrate properly. It was 2:59 in the morning and everyone in the house was asleep. I would love to make a longer video showing the full process from start to finish. And last of all, and most importantly, I would like to thank every one of you that has watched, subscribed and supported the channel. It's only for you that all this has been possible, and it really shows how supportive the community is. I'm glad you're enjoying these videos and I'm glad you're enjoying the channel, and I look forward to seeing you in the future.